Hi everyone, this demonstration is about scaling in perspective. You'll use this method to plot the location of figures of equal height within a three-dimensional space. We're going to be demonstrating with a tree, but you could use this very same method for plotting the location of figures of similar height inside of a room or other three-dimensional space. So begin by drawing your first figure. This is your reference figure. All of your other figures will be measured against this initial figure that you draw. Next, locate your horizon line and choose a vanishing point. The first thing you will do is draw a guideline from the bottom of the tree back to the vanishing point and from the top of the tree back to the vanishing point. Note this vertical line indicates the height of your tree or your first figure. Next, draw an X somewhere in the landscape where you would like to locate your second tree. Now, using this X as a marking point, draw a line from the bottom of the tree through the X back to the horizon line. So you're going to be creating a second vanishing point here. And do that again from the top of the tree back to this very same vanishing point that you've established by drawing a line through the X. By drawing a vertical line at the location of the X, you will determine the height of the tree. Okay, there's your second tree. We'll do this again with a third tree. The process is slightly different. Okay, you'll begin by starting at the X mark from the second tree, drawing a line through the X mark of your third tree that extends back to your horizon line. So again, you're creating a different vanishing point here. And do the same from the top of the tree back to that same vanishing point that you've just established. Draw a vertical line from the X to the top of this guideline here that extends from the second tree, and that determines the height of your third tree. Okay, so there we have three trees plotted in a landscape in correct perspective. The next thing we'll do is plot shadows. Shadows are relative to the light source. Think of the light source as a separate vanishing point. Extend lines from your light source to the bottom of your figure and extend it slightly beyond. These are going to be the locations of your shadows. Note that the degree of angle between these three shadows is not the same. It changes relative to the location of the tree relative to the vanishing point. Then locate your shadows along this same plane and you're all set. And that's how we scale figures in perspective. Thanks everyone.